Hi, my name is Anique. My vlog is Chocolate Lounge Beauty Vlog, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your skin using milk. So the milk that I chose is oat milk because oat milk comes from oat mills. Oatmeal is great for the skin. It has minerals, vitamins, antioxidants. These are all things that help the skin. Sensitive skin, irritated skin. Oatmeal pretty much helps heal the skin and helps you have healthy skin. And it's one of my favorite things to use on my skin. So I'm just gonna talk you through the step on how to make oat milk. So first you need to start with oats, and I prefer to use organic oats. Second, you need hot water. You need a spoon. The end results that you get from this is you're going to take the hot water, you're going to pour it into the oats. You mix it up with the spoon until the water turns to a milky substance. So at your end results, this is the finished product. And as you see, it looks like milk because it is milk from the oats. And you use this to wash your face. Now, one of the tricks to this is the leftover oats from where you got the milk. You can actually mix this into the milk, or you can use it by itself, and you can use this to exfoliate your skin. So you can use it as a gentle exfoliator. And if you want to use the oat milk, I would keep it in the fridge for a few days. It lasts for like a few days. Shake it up, and then all you have to do is massage it onto your skin and rinse. And it really does a good job cleaning your skin. And that's how you use milk to clean your skin. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.